Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda. For the new people tuning in, today I'll be doing a makeup tutorial on this look. If you guys like it, please keep watching. Alright guys, I know I look kind of crazy right now, but I already did my base off camera. I did my bronzer, my blush, and my powders. And I also did one eye off camera and my brows. For brows, I used the same thing, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in Ebony. To set my brows, I use the Benefit 24-hour brow setter. For foundation, I use the CoverGirl True Blend foundation. This one is in the shade T30. It's Warm Honey. To conceal my under eyes, I use the Born This Way Radiant Concealer by Too Faced. To set my my concealer, I used the Shade and Light palette. I used these two shades. And then for bronzer and blush, I used, this is the Becca Sun Chaser palette. I used this bronzer, this blush, and I'll also be using this highlighter. For my eyes, I use the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette. Since we're already in fall, I wanted to use these colors. These are like so fall vibes. And then to set the rest of my face, I use the Becca, this is the Becca Perfect Skin Mineral Powder Foundation. So I'm going to go ahead and move on to the other eye. The first shade I'm going to go in with is Access. I'm going to take that to the crease. Next, I'm going to go in with Agent. It's this orangey shade here. And I'm also going to add that to the crease. I'm just going back with a clean blending brush and blending these two shades together. Now I'm gonna go in with Top Secret. It's this olive color right here, and I'm just gonna add it to the outer V. Now I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, which is Coin. And I'm taking a flat brush and spraying it with some of the Eviance facial spray. Now I'm just gonna go back in with the green and blend these two shades together. then for brow bone, I'm gonna go ahead and go with VIP. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some eyeliner. I'm gonna be using the same Essence Precise eyeliner in Super Black. So I'm also gonna put on some lashes. I'm gonna be using the Lily lashes. I'm just gonna add a thin layer of the Essence mascara. I'll let the lashes dry a little and I'll go in with the bottom lash line. So I'm gonna use the color Agent and Top Secret. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my lash. All right, so while that lash dries, I am going to go ahead and start taking the bake off. So now I'm just gonna move on to the bottom waterline, and I'm gonna use the Rimmel Nude liner. So my lashes are still drying. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the MAC Pro Longwear Lip Pencil in Bittersweet. For lipstick, I'm gonna go in with the MAC Whirl lipstick. Alright, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and set my face with some of the Eviance facial spray. Alright, so now I'm just gonna go in with the same Becca Sun Chaser palette, and I'm gonna go in with this highlighter, which is Opal. Also gonna add a little bit of VIP to the inner corner, this one. So now I'm gonna go in with some bottom lash line mascara. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope you guys liked it. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys can get notified as soon as I upload, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!